Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits regarding the topic prepositions from the English grammar. I wondered dash her behavior. Answer it. They ceased work dash sunset. Answer it. Whom are you looking dash? Answer for. I am driving dash this point. Answer to. He is not ashamed dash his conduct. Answer of. His master dispensed dash his services. Answer with. The village was destroyed dash fire. Answer by. He has no control dash his children. Answer over. He was born dash rich parents. Answer of. The road is dash repair. Answer under. I can venture dash point out the fact. Answer to. You are not bound dash take any quantity. Answer to. The work must be finished dash the end of the week. Answer by. The regulations apply dash all. Answer to. People flocked dash him. Answer to. You can dispense dash his services. Answer with. They apologized dash me for a mistake. Answer to. They apologized to her dash what happened. Answer for. He was accused dash the murder. Answer of. He was accused dash stealing a watch. Answer of. He was guilty dash the murder. Answer of. I accused him dash cheating. Answer of. He was charged dash the murder. Answer of. He was charged dash the murder. Answer of. He was accused dash the murder. Answer of. He was guilty dash the murder. Answer of. I accused him dash cheating. Answer of. He was charged dash the murder. Answer of. He was charged dash the murder. He was charged Answer with. He smiled dash me. Answer at me. He mocked dash me. Answer at. He laughed dash me. Answer at. He was complaining dash me. Answer 2. We complained dash the manager of restaurant about the food. Answer 2. We called a doctor because Giri was complaining dash a pain in chest. Answer off. I complained dash the principal. Answer 2. I want to complain dash the team leader. Answer against. She was complaining dash the watchman. Answer against. She was complaining dash my carelessness. Answer about. He was complaining dash her job. Answer about. Stop complaining dash the weather. Answer about. I'm angry dash you. Answer with you. I'm angry dash your behavior. Answer for. She is angry dash you are laughing at her husband. Answer for. Are you annoyed dash me for being late? Answer with. He was annoyed dash her behavior. Answer at. His mother and father are vexed dash his brother's rude behavior. Answer at. His father disgusted dash him for his addiction to drink. Answer with. He was irritated dash her. Answer with her. She was upset dash him. Answer with. Geeta is upset dash not being invited to the party. Answer for. Everyone felt disgusted dash his jokes. Answer it. SK Junior College is affiliated dash Andhra University. Answer 2. India is afflicted dash extreme proverbs. Answer with. He attended dash the party. Answer no preposition. He attended dash the marriage yesterday. Answer no preposition. He did not attend dash what his mother advised him. Answer 2. Please attend dash what I say. Answer 2. Scientists have warned us dash the effects of climate changes. Answer off. He warned me dash the mistake. Answer against. His financial advisor warned her dash such a risking investment. Answer against. I knew he was a strange person. I had been warned dash him. Answer about. Geeta warned me dash the traffic. She said it would be bad. Answer about. Ravi warned me dash the water. He said it wasn't safe to drink. Answer about. We warned our children dash the dangers of playing in the street. Answer about. She was confined dash the four walls. Answer 2. He restrained the urge dash reached out to her. Answer 2. Don't restrict dash dogs and cats. Answer 2. Their conversation was restricted dash necessities. Answer 2. He was tied dash a rope dash tree. Answer with 2. He was bound dash a pole. Answer 2. The criminal was bound dash chains. Answer with. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.